What's up? I'm Waffle Taco 86, and today I'm playing the first game I found on itch.io that seemed interesting. So, point and click puzzle game where you rescue a herd of cats by directing them with your poltergeist powers, called Six Cats Under. Oh. I think I just fell down the stairs. Oh. So I'm a grandma, or just an old lady, who was reading, and now I'm dead. Okay, so now I have to protect my cats. Okay. Okay, so I have to free the cats. That's interesting. He's a clever boy, but he's easily spooked. That might make him the easiest to influence. Okay, that's good. Pumpkin doesn't like the other cats. She likes the TV. Mr. Spock. From Star... I forgot the other word. Okay, so I need to get catnip for Mr. Spock. Frederick is a sleepy boy. Okay. I think I have to knock over the goldfish tank. I have a remote now. I think that's the remote. That fan is very loud. Can I use the remote? Oh! Can I move the toy? Okay, there's a lot of cats here. Okay. That's interesting. Oh, that's me. This is interesting. This is a lot of information to take in. They both love hammock. Okay. Can I knock that over? Oh, I did a thing. So that gets this cat to move, but this cat is stopping. Oh my goodness. This is a very puzzling puzzle game.
This cake is absolutely delicious. Yes, I like this cake.
I got the cooking show. This is very... Oh boy. What do I do? What's in the fridge? I can't open the fridge. Frederick is a sleepy boy. I need food, so I have to cook this fish, but I won't budge, so maybe... Oh boy. Kitty litter. The cats like the kitty litter. Can I push it over? Can I turn the light on? The window! Ooh! That's a thing. Okay, so the door has to open, and for the door to open, I'm assuming this cat has to jump off and then open the door. But to get food, I need... Ooh, what's in the pantries? Towel? Oh! I did a thing! Fish, are you happy now? I'm just gonna keep feeding the fish. I don't think this is a good idea. Okay. I found something I can interact with. I think that's something. These books are too heavy. Nothing is useful. I don't know what to do. Does this broom any help? Toilet paper. Toilet itself. Oh! Oh, yay! He's a clever boy. Can he run? Sniffles, chilling in the bathroom. I wish I could give him a... This is interesting. Very, very interesting. I wish I had a brain. I need to cook this fish. I think these cats are gonna die. And worst of all, my microphone probably isn't detecting enough sound. I'm gonna raise the microphone thing. My voice should be louder now. I don't know if you can hear it, but it should be louder now. Oh! Oh, the fly does something! The fly did a thing. Do you want to attack the fly? Please attack the fly. Okay, so, as of right now, I need to find a way to figure out exactly why every single dial on this stove is for the same thing. But also, okay, this one likes catnip. I already did that. This one likes food. I'm pretty sure that's the last chain in the chain of dominoes. This one likes TV. I don't know what that does. This one is stopping this one from going in this direction. So I need to get the fly? Can I kill the fly? Can I grab the fly? No, I cannot. This is difficult. Or maybe it's not, and I'm just stupid. I already said that. I'm running out of things to say, and that's like my whole job. That's the one reason people click on these videos. Ah! Okay. Clock? What's up? Pumpkin. There's no taming the cat. What about with yarn? Too heavy. Something stronger could push it. How about someone who likes
This
TV?
cake is absolutely delicious. Yes, yes, I really like this cake. This cake is so tasty.
What if I change stuff? Oh, there's water. I'm too weak to oh, yeah, but that's... Oh, I don't say anything with the water. Water. Fan. Water. Fish, you can make the jump, trust me. If you jump into the sink, you definitely won't land on this stove. You should jump over here and into this sink for freedom. Look, you're gonna die. Just jump. You can do the jump. Make the jump. Fish, come on, jump out of your bowl. Jump out of your bowl. Okay. I don't think the fish can be convinced. He's a very tricky person. It's important to have enough litter boxes. No one quite wants to quee. Can I topple this over? Oh! You like the toilet paper? Does the toilet scare you? Oh! 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 Oh boy!
This cake is absolutely delicious. Yes, yes, I really like this cake. This cake is so tasty. I think this cake is the most wonderful cake you've ever baked.
Okay.
I think so.
Oh, this is some real progress.
I've tried for my cakes before, and
What's up with you? Oh. Ooh. You like the toy, right? Do you... Oh. Okay. How about the sink? Huh? Oh. It's dripping. It won't budge. Okay, hold on.
This cake is absolutely delicious.
Is it cake is absolutely delicious. It's very tasty.
Yes, I think so. I'm never gonna try to like things before, and I should.
Oh, so that was necessary.
Yes, I really like this cake. Yes, I really like this cake.
How about we do all that again? You're scared because of the toilet, right? What? What? I duplicated the cats! I duplicated the cats! I don't think that was supposed to happen. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Oh, he is not scared. What if this cat meets the clone? Go ahead. What happens when you meet the clone? Oh man. He's just chill with it. Oh! Oh my goodness. They have swapped places. What if they go in the same spot though? They can't. This is the real puzzle all along. Figure out why the cats are duplicating.
This cake is absolutely delicious. Yes, I really like this cake. This cake is so tasty.
Okay, so stop it, please. Leave, go ahead. The water is wet, so he leaves. I'm so confused. This is probably gonna be my longest YouTube video yet if I don't if I do not edit anything out. But I'm gonna edit this entire thing for your viewing enjoyment. Now I'm gonna sip a can of Coca-Cola. Not sponsored. You should play this game yourself after this video. I mean, it wouldn't be much of a puzzle because I'm solving it here on camera. You should also like and subscribe if you enjoyed me murdering myself over puzzles. There are so many things and you can click on everything. Wait, where'd the clones go? I think I uncloned them. Cats don't have thumbs unless they do, then you should see a doctor. It's a point and click game. How hard can it be? Man. Now I'm starting to feel like the only solution is to become a dog person.
I'm never gonna try to like things before, and I should know that I have made cakes for 51 years. This cake is absolutely
Oh right, I'm not here to watch TV, I'm here to make a YouTube video. Where are the cats? They're everywhere. Why are the cats? I don't know. The music has looped so many times. I'm gonna figure this out before I die. Well, I guess in the game I'm already dead. Aw, man, I failed. do? He did a thing. He did a thing. Wait. The T. Ah. Oh man, I wasn't even talking because it's been so long. Okay. Huh. That's interesting. Oh, yay. Knock him over. Yes. I've done it. I've cooked a fish. I think that's cooked, right? I guess I'll wait. Frederick, very sleepy boy. Food has to be involved. Yes, that's what I'm doing. There is food involved. Poor Goldie. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I kinda did just murder her goldfish. But that wasn't her top priority. Oh! Okay. Oh! Yeah! Oh! I did it! That should not have taken that. Oh, wow. That should not have taken that long. But I did it. I done it. 6 cats under. What's up, Future Waffle here. I'm recording an outro because the actual outro that I recorded for 6 Cats Under was so very unenthusiastic and tired because it took so long to do that puzzle, which you probably understand from how many jump cuts and 10 times speed there was in the video that you just watched. That being said, you just watched the video, and if you like videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe so you can see more of them, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I make a new video. Also, if you have any suggestions for what I should play, you can put them in the comments, and I'll probably play them, because there's an average of like 2 comments per video, so I read every single one of them. Have a nice day!